Hey guys, what is up? I hope I'm back. PC crashed. That's the weirdest. Like the stream crashed. The PC didn't crash. It's just everything started to freeze out slowly, a piece at a time. It was not fun. But we are here. We are here with the second portion of this awesome stream. We're left looking at Zcash at a potential 3 fallen peak pattern. We'll see how things go on this part 2 of the stream. Well, that reboot that I had to do gave me a chance to go grab another cold one. Just sucked majorly. It's weird. I rarely get crashes when I'm live, and today, all of a sudden, the PC just decided to, like, do its thing. Yeah. Alright, that's awesome, man. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. I'm not sure how many people we're going to pick up again. It just kind of sucked that we died in the stream. Like, it just went down like crazy. So. All right, cool. Here we go. So again, we're looking at this 3 fallen peak pattern. First peak, second peak, third peak. If we fail to get above the first peak, man, this could be troublesome for Zcash. Although it's rallying okay, 8%, another 8% today. We shall see. We shall see. We are back as we're troopers. I was checking out Mjolnir. It's not fully there yet, but I'll show you guys this. This is the coolest thing ever. I have a mini Thor's hammer. That's actually a pen that I'm printing out. That's pretty cool. I can't wait for Mjolnir to be painting. The chrome painting is a pain in the butt, man. This is a PG stream? Yeah. It's a prawn guidance stream. Mjolnir. Mjolnir. Whatever the hammer's name is. Yeah, just printing out a lot of marvelous stuff. That's pretty cool, I guess. And I also got to start painting on this Deadpool. I finally went out and got primer. So this is gonna get painted soon. Rawr. Here we go. That was gonna get painted soon. That one's pretty badass. And also have Samurai Gohan that is almost finished. Now that I got primer, I can actually finish priming it and start painting it. Which again, pretty freaking cool that my projects are gonna start moving along again. Can't wait to see the Doctor Strange movie. How was it? No spoilers. I haven't seen it yet. I want to go see it. But, I'll tell you what. I got Doctor Strange's Eye of Agamotto. You're not going to be able to tell really good from here. I'm going to see if this is going to make it focus on my hand and not lose focus. But there's the Eye of Agamotto from Doctor Strange. So now I can conjure stuff and freeze time. No, I'm kidding. I still got to get that ring for open up portals, I guess. Having a lot of fun 3D printing. That one still needs to be sanded and painted and antiqued, I guess. But it's really sweet print. At least this portion, the face portion, has these like details here. I'm not sure if the camera's gonna pick them out. Like it has some of the runes right around there. So again, it makes it really, really cool to have. I'm thinking I might finish it up and take it to the movies with me. And have my Eye of Agamotto when I'm watching Doctor Strange. And then, you know, take my ring of teleportation that I'm also going to print out. And then just go into the movie theater and be like... Every stream I showcase something I'm working for. I think the boys are ready for you. What boys? On the poker? Yeah, I think we're gonna go poker in a second. Andrew, what's up, dude? Kind of sucks. We had a lot of people on the stream and it just kind of crashed. So, can I look up Luna Lol? Yeah. What's a ticker? Luna. Is it stuck? Is it? I don't even think it's trading, right? Well, Luna, it's worth 0.4008. Shit, is this actually doing anything? 9% up, and you can't even see it on the chart. Let's look at a log scale, man. Even on the log scale, this looks like crap. How much did it drop? 99% on a candle. 98% on a candle. 93% on a candle. This is bad. Bro, I would not want to be... I'm not saying ever. And Luna could come back. But, bro, this doesn't look good. How much more can this drop? I mean, there's no TA for this. You get that, right? It's just gone down forever and ever. Even here, we can't even see a pattern. Even if I go on log scale, there is no pattern. There is no divergence. There's nothing. Look at this. It's just like, oh. Even the Bollinger Bands are all screwed up. No TA for this. Not that I don't want to do TA. It's just nothing to do here, man. Now we're here on Luna. Well, once I have my Avengers fingers here in the desk, they're gonna be really cool. I'm making Avengers stuff. Yeah. On the 1 minute chart, man, it's taking a mighty pump up on bullish divergence. Yeah. Bullish divergence. Yeah, Jorge, dude, you're right. Every stream I'm showcasing stuff. Did you see? I'm not sure I showed this to you, but I do have this little thing here that I'm working on. Also, I'm printing through painting, not printing, through projects simultaneously. This little thing, it's a tiny Iron Man helmet. That looks pretty kick-ass. I managed to get that red and the gold, I think, spot on for the metallics. But this actually goes on top of this. And it sits like that, and it's actually mechanical. When you move the jaw down, the faceplate opens like that, and then you're able to access your SD cards and micro SD cards, or mini SD cards from here. That's a pretty cool project. I showed Meow Mix here a second ago. I know it's not called Meow Mix, that's what I'm messing around with. But this is actually a pen holder that is shaped like Thor's hammer. So actually, I'm still gonna paint this here on with the leather color. But then when you bring it out, then you have this, and then you can write, and this just can be on your desk like that. You have like little Thor's hammers on your desk with a pen in it. The other one I started painting, but it's not really done yet, is this one. You're not. It's a shield of Captain America, but it's actually a shield slash beverage, or what do you call it? Like a coaster. It's a coaster, but it's gonna be Captain America's shield. I still have to do the red and blue, but I nailed the silver already for this. So it's a fun project. This is like a 3 Avengers set that I'm gonna have here on my desk. Mexico, here we go. Yeah. Then Gohan, I'm gonna prime and paint. Probably gonna start painting him this weekend. And Deadpool, I'm also probably gonna start painting him this weekend as well. The Irish Leprechaun was the quickest paint I did of my 3D prints. Just because, you know, Leprechaun is the channel's mascot. But this tiny here, Seamus Leprechaun. Quick paint, very nice. I also have this tiny but weird and cool looking Batman that I also got to paint. But prime first. I ran out of primer. I actually managed to go and pick up some today. And I managed to pick up some metallic paints, and I've just been having a blast. But, guys, I think that's going to be it for tonight. I mean, the stream kind of dropped and died. So, we came back, but, yeah, we're just going to go play poker, I guess. So, where's the link for this? Is it in general? Alright, I'm going to go play poker, I guess, with everyone. Because the stream just, you know, crashed. So, Tom G, thank you very much for being here, and much appreciated. We managed to come back. But, again, W Luna pumping. Oh, look at that. That candle's going 2%. Oh, down 40. Oh, wow. Yeah, actually, this might not be a bad end. You just gotta be really careful with this, right? Because this could really screw you really quick. Again, high risk asset because Luna is just in the gutter in general, right? Bearish divergence is gonna start developing here. Watch out for it, right? Watch out for it. Could bring it down. It's all about how we handle the losses. You are correct, my friend. It's all about how we handle the losses and how we take profits. Trading is about risk management. And we've said that here plenty of times. It's all about risk management. You don't manage risk, you're going to get wrecked. Yeah, can't win them all. But we were looking, I think we were, when you were here, we were looking at mana. And I'd said mana. Or was it not mana? Was it the other project? What was the other project you were looking at? I can't remember. It had like a potential 3 fallen peak pattern coming into play. Yeah, it wasn't mana. It was the other one. Cash. No, I think it was this one we were looking at. Yeah. Yeah, again, potential, right? 1, 2, 3. Starting to look like a 3 fallen pattern. I'm not gonna call it a textbook 3. Or was it? Let's see if I can open this here. I'll show you what I'm talking about with the actual data. Cash short? Maybe. Let me show you what I'm talking about and why I believe this could really be setting up for a drop. Have this book that I referenced to, which is The Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Bulkowski. Now, it is a good reference to have if you know the patterns that you're looking for. So I know I'm looking for for 3 fallen peaks. Here we go. So 3 fallen peaks. And what it looks like, it's precisely like that. So you have a peak, a second peak, a third peak. But usually 3 fallen peaks, you want to get them at the top of a pattern, but you can get them in the middle. And on a bear market, it has a big possibility of playing out. At 6 out of 21, the closer to 1, the more chances it has to playing out. Break-even failure rate is 4. Average decline after a trend, average decline is 24, and then after trends end, you're looking for a 52% bounce, right? So you're looking for a nice bounce to happen. Usually, trends downwards and pullbacks at around 62%. So again, chance of pullbacks are there. But here, right, ultimately, so you have your 1, 2, 3, right, your ace. You have your B's, B1, B2, B3, and then something actually managed to trigger. But I'm trying to find a good example here for a. For a 3 fallen peak. So here we go, right? 1, 2, 3. Then you have your drop, and you have your B1, B2, B3, and then you kind of got your reversal happening, right? But this is usually a pattern that to try to look out for, like 1, 2, 3, right? This is your third peak. You have your confirmation line, then you break. So it's the same thing. You have your man. Now I can shift this, all right? So you have your confirmation line would be dropping lower than this low here, right? But if you manage to get above this here target, right? If you manage to get above that target, then you're okay. Your pattern's breaking. So any move up here is just gonna get rid of it. Anything else, you know. Should be watching out for this one. Does it come as an out evoke? No, it doesn't. So that's again, this is something I'm watching out for, right? Potentially how this might play out. And the book will give you a pretty good explanation as to, you usually have a upward price trend, which we don't in this case. And like I told you, right, it's not there, but it might still play out as one, right? Here you had your uptrend, then you drop 3, then you drop your up 3. You have an uptrend. This is like a 3. This is like a 3 rising valley, actually, not a 3 fallen peaks pattern, but it's kind of there. So actually asked which of these patterns valid 3 fallen peak patterns. These are rising valleys pattern. These are fallen peaks. Right. So here you have your Y1, A2, A3, and then you have your drop upon breaking that confirmation line. You have your B1, B2, B3. Then you kind of try to recover afterwards. Some other pattern happening here. But after this, you had your breakdown, and then you B1, C1, C2, C3, breaking that confirmation line, getting that drop. So this is the pattern I'm looking out for now. On here. And again, sometimes we do see these patterns on some charts, sometimes we don't find them, right? So so long as you know the pattern that you're looking for, or at least some basic patterns, you can try to look for them. Like I said, if this recovers above the 2, which is here 135, then you would not be looking at a 3 fallen peaks pattern. And then by that time, if you start to get this recovery up to this here level, then I would be looking for a potential drop to back test that 114, and then create your inverse head and shoulders, right? So again, 1, 2, 3, right? Potential 3 fallen peaks. Watch out for it on the macros, on the larger one, right? Let's go to the monthly. Yeah, I'm not looking like a 3 fallen peaks, but 1, 2. Depending on how we drop here, we might be doing a larger pattern here. Something I'm also noticing is that you have some kind of resistance here that it's failing to break. And the support is also coming in lower here, right? Again, slightly lower. So it's not quite, it's kind of like a fallen wedge that's starting to develop on the weekly. And then here shorter. Again, I couldn't match it to any channel or anything like that. But, you know, 3 fallen peak is a pattern I will be looking out for. Again, if it starts to break down and it breaks that confirmation line, then yes, this would really be a good time to short, because then that pattern will be looking like it will trigger. Right on. So I think we're gonna have poker night with the guys here. So if anyone wants to join us in the poker, I think May says there's room at the table, and it's just we just play for coins, like, you know, chill. So no, not real coins or any real money. We just play for whatever they have there, and, like, you know, whatever you start with it, which I think we'll start with 1,000. And we just play a couple hands until, you know, whoever has to leave, and then we just keep going. Whoever wants to stay. It's a pretty chill, you know, poker game. So if anyone wants to play, it's more like interaction and community building. You can have your mic on, you can have your camera on if you want. We all just chill there and have fun. But I'm going to be joining that room here in a second, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I enjoy being here every night. Thank you all for being here. And if you enjoy the content, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Challenge accepted. So, again, remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. Don't go out and don't go out and get wrecked. Be careful, trade careful, control risk. That's all about trading, right? Risk management. Now, on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.